Whoa. Mic check, sound test. Check test. 1, 2, 3. And so much for promo. Close that. Hello world, this is JWP, JWP Beats, coming to you live from my bedroom. For around 20 years I've been mixing and mastering music, rapping, songwriting. Recently started singing, along with everything else that goes with music production, such as graphic design and editing, photo editing, video editing. And for around 15 years I've been using synth edit to make my own audio plugins. Check out my website jwpsite.com for my social links, latest news and updates, and public offerings. If you'd like to help support what I do, check out my GoFundMe, JWP Fund, or my PayPal, jwpmas@gmail.com. Like, comment, subscribe, follow, whatever makes you click, I appreciate it. So I'm just going to be doing some organizing, not sure if it's going to be this screen or this screen. Is it even switching? Look at that one, has two marquees in it, or two scrolling texts. Okay, so that's not the one. I mean, what really is the point of showing the screen if I'm just doing stuff in the background? I'll get set up and then I'll start showing things. Just trying to figure out how to get rid of that extra marquee here. Or scrolling text, I always call it marquee. Here we go. Scrolling text. This one? Like that? There. Yeah, because I updated that scrolling bit. And then... So Twitch has enforced a 100-hour limit, and I've been fighting for the past 10 days to get all my stuff backed up and archived and cataloged. So there's not going to be any real streams until that's done. And of course, I can't use Chrome until that's fixed, or until I can't use Chrome during stream because it's sort of my background thing for social stream. It's been a minute. Like, I was just going to keep grinding on getting stuff back in order. However, I feel like I have to stay in the habit of streaming. And I have a job now, so it'll be my first day. So I only get like half hour because I want to finish a little early, and then I got to figure things out. I got to get in the routine. What am I doing? Okay. So I need sheets. So yeah, things are going to change going forward. It's going to be backing up old beats Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and then e-learning Tuesdays and Thursdays. Saturdays will be synth edit, and Sundays are gaming. And I'm not going to change the Twitch schedule. I just don't have time. Maybe I will eventually. It's not like anybody pays attention to it. Maybe I should, though. Whatever. Let's see then. Let's do it. Let's do it for my one fan. Okay. So, JWP. Then we go. I gotta go to the channel. It's kind of weird that there's no like setting in the user dashboard. Is it ever slow? Why is it so slow? I'm not even doing anything. Not even doing anything, man. Okay, so I guess this is going to be setting up my new schedule stream. Because I really only have enough time to do one thing, right? Okay. And of course, advertisements. Let's see here. So I gotta go here. And then schedule. And then edit schedule. Okay. Okay, and then this is from 5:30 to 6:30. Okay, so well, how do I, there we go. So this is 5:30 a.m. for an hour. Repeats on Monday, Wednesday, Friday. It doesn't let me do multiples that are dumb. Okay, so this is just chatting, I guess, or would this be? This is music, I guess, huh? It's supposed to be music. Right now, it's just going to be organizing. This is actually, I'll make this just chatting, and I'll change it later. Just chatting. This is organizing. Just chatting, specific days, add another. Stupid that you can't do multiple, stream added. Okay, so I can just, yeah, okay, so save, and then save, and then Saturdays, for, I don't know, 10 hours. Okay, and then e-learning. And this is, I'm still not sure what to put e-learning under. Maybe I'll just put it because it's co-working. I guess it's co-working, right? I just don't look like other co-working channels. So, it's 5:30 for 1 hour every Tuesday and Thursday, and that's it. Because Sundays are gaming. So let's see what that looks like. Organizing Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and these all change. Okay, so now I can get back into getting organized here. Okay, so Hydrix is pretty much done. Oh, that's not what I want. I'm gonna close these. And go back. I have to cross-reference everything. And I did get my music feedbacks in, so I gotta label those and start the rest of them before I go, and then I gotta cross-reference this. So JMS. So this is a combination of both sheets, but I mean both sheets are on here. I could probably delete these ones or archive them or something. Maybe I can do that right now. Can I do that right now? So this is, yeah, so you can't see it, but JWP here, and then Hydrix here, and then there's a query search here that combines both sheets. Right here, if we look, we can see there's this big code here that combines both sheets. And then I can filter using the end bit and, or no, sort using the end bit and filter using standard filter tools. Okay, and then I want to, can I archive? There's no archive here. Make a folder. Open file picker. There's no archive. I guess they'll just kind of fall down the list, I guess. Okay, so I'm going to start with this, and I need to reference everything. So this is obviously local. These are actually in here. I'm not sure if that's on Twitch. I think that's on the Hydrix Twitch. Not sure. It doesn't matter if these are on Twitch, I guess. Okay, so then I need to look at the list of videos I have, which I might have to throw that up for. Just gotta make sure I have them locally. Got a greater than symbol in there. Okay, and then I want... I can't do any uploading right now because I'm streaming. Oh, that's good. Give it a shake, it could be better. It's up to my lid here. Still got the bag in there. I'll give it some kick. Okay. Let's move the length out of the way here. What am I doing? So I have two locations for this. Close my navigation pane. Right there. So here's the layout. Here's my thingy. These aren't even thing. Synthetic bug. Synthetic bugs? Synthetic. Okay, so I have another set in my, because I have two drives, right? So I need the second set. And then that's on the... I guess let's just put them all on one. I don't know how big this is. This is 166. Yeah, I guess it could go on my C drive. I'm not sure how long that'll take though. I wish there was a way to like estimate. Actually, I'll get in here. I should see how much space is on my C drive before I be like, yeah, I should just toss it in there. Okay, let's see. That's too close. That's too tight. Because if I go, I'm already below like 75%. So, but if I go any more, it'll be too tight for file transfers and stuff. It'll slow down everything. Okay, so synthetic bugs right here. So pitch crashes all full build. What is that? Oh, that never even got streamed. I don't think. Synthetic 1.5, synthetic 1.5 bug. Okay, so these aren't even the right thing. Synthetic bug labs. Grid bug, here we go. Okay, so grab this file name and implant it here. This is going to take a long time, so I don't know if I'll ever be back to the lab. Can't contain the following characters. What's the character that's illegal there? I don't see an illegal character. What are you talking about? Am I just missing it? Yeah, I don't see an illegal character. This is... needs a space. Is there like a hidden space or something? Okay, I think maybe it's just something wrong with Explorer being annoying. Can you give me a notepad? Thank you. So I'll just drop it in here and it'll clear formatting, right? So I don't know what's going on with that. Grab it again, grab that, boom, boom, bangle, bingle, bangle, bongo. To the bugs. Okay, so this is for sure locally. Twitch doesn't really matter at this point. Okay, following Rift Machine. FL Studio Labs. That's the first FL Studio Lab. FL Studio? Yeah. FL Studio Lab somewhere. Let's check the other location. FL Studio Jam Session. Synthetic Labs? Where's FL Studio Labs? Maybe they're just kind of sitting out in the open. Okay, so what is this lab specifically? Rift Machine. Rift Machine. Rift Machine. I can't believe like I'm this far behind Rift Machine. Okay, so this is Rift Machine following demonstration. This has a different file name. And like I've had figured out a whole system for the file names and stuff. Can you be this? And then I go view. Also learned a couple things. Can apply this to all video folders. Yes. Okay, and then every video folder I open will look like this, right? Okay, so this is part one. What do you mean? Why do you keep being annoying? I think there's something in Google Sheets that's injecting sort of a symbol. So I have to wash it in Notepad first. Annoyingness. So I don't exactly know which one is which here. One says 2, so I'm just going to have to... I was going to see here. Just do an experiment. And do you think... Yeah, so I don't know what's up with that. Okay, so confirmed. I'll just double confirm here. Let's go VLC, I guess. Actually, what do I have as default? I think I have photos as default. So let's go photos, I guess. I also have a 2 on the end of that. Oh, because it is part 2. Yeah, okay, so... in this video... Yeah, okay, so that's fine. No codes on the bottom. There's like nothing. It's like my first streams ever. need a reference point here. Well, one's shorter, right? One's bigger, one's smaller. I should still use a reference point. Okay, so if we're at 430, looks like that. And then here at 430. It looks the same. Okay, so another reference point. Okay, so what does it start like?
Hi, and
yeah, okay.
I will be demonstrating how I use Riff Generator to follow music theory. Originally, I wanted to do a step-by-step.
It looks like the same video.
Demonstration.
No, because this one jumps to the chord thing.
Any sort of.
This one jumps to OBS.
Errors. Hi, yeah. In this video, I'll be demonstrating how I use Riff Generator to follow.
It sits there for a minute.
Originally, I wanted to
look at the bit rate on that.
Tutorial.
Yeah, it just sits there for a minute. That's crazy. Can you jump ahead? Yeah, we jump. Wait, what? Is it the same thing? I don't even know where the original is for this. What does it sound like here?
Tutorial demonstration.
Hi.
But because this is any sort of rehearsal, there'll be too many errors.
Are they just continuously playing? I didn't even realize they stay open. Okay, give me another reference point here. Let's try 5 minutes exactly. I guess it's kind of good that they stay open, right? Because I can keep scrubbing around them.
Hi.
I'm John Bob. Okay, yeah, so it is a different video. Okay, I knew the times were different, but I wasn't sure if it was like a different chop kind of thing. This will be closed. Okay, so those are confirmed. And Synth Edit Labs. Of course, I got so many of them. Patching the polyphony. So these are like the original Synth Edit Labs. Those keys, these come from my gaming channel. Part 1. It's kind of awful that it does that. I'm just gonna grab this bit. That it like injects hidden symbols that can use the local file, the Windows file system. Okay, so this is 3. Four. And 5. I'd also like to get lengths in here, but it's just too much time. I don't have a lot of time. I'd like to get back to actually doing development, right? Opposed to organizing videos, old videos. I also noticed a lot of my streams are just a bunch of mouth sounds. Drinking and slurping. There's like not really anything I could do. I used to have a mouse, or what'd you call it, muter? Mic muter. They just hold down the button and it would mute my mic, but yeah. And besides, I can't do 2 things at once. And there needs to be like an on-screen display, because otherwise I might turn off my mic and then, yeah, it's gone. Anyway. Okay, so this is actually part 6 then. I don't know if there's any more. I'm just going to focus on these for now. Okay, so this is Synth Edit Labs right here. Okay, as I figured, there's not really anything going on there. Copy this and drop it there for a date reference. Get rid of this hyphen here. because they don't have their part numbers, because I didn't know which part they were. I knew there was multiples of the synthetic lab, but I just don't know where they sit in context to each other. I'm not seeing these. Okay, are they labs or lab? I think they're lab, right? They should be lab. Labs, synthetic labs, lab. Because devlog is devlog. This is this version of the devlog, and then the folder that holds them has a plural. So these should be no plural, right? You see, this one doesn't have a plural. Okay, so renaming time. Control H, right, to replace. So I want labs, and oops, replace with lab, the cap, and then start replace, find. No, start up here. Replace, find, what? Up here, find. Why isn't it? Whatever. Lab. Okay. Oh, there's another one. Okay, so lab. Audio labs. Labs. Okay, so labs. They're just everywhere, labs. Synthetic labs. I don't think I can find any more. Replaced. Replace? I can't find any more. Okay. So, yeah. When their actual naming is like that. So these need to come out, right? How big is that? How many are those? 12. They're coming out of D? That's fine. And then they can go into C, or is this also D? It doesn't matter. They're the same place. Okay, and they have their date in the front. Labs, they still say labs. I can fix that, I can remedy that. So they are local. I do have them local, right? Just looking at them. They're already checked off locally. No controllers. Where's that? They need to be named. So I'll get them named and I'll call that efficiency. Look at that, 300 megs a second. It's almost a gig a second. Okay. So whenever we get to points like this is when renamer comes in handy here. Is there any duplicates looking? Any zeros? Didn't make it. Close over there. Replace. Text to be replaced. Okay, so labs. For starters. What? Why did it do that? It's like it moved everything down? I didn't even know it did that. Okay, so labs with lab. And just make sure that's getting done right. Lab. Okay, so start batch, go. I might have done more. Forgot to do more. Okay, because I want to get rid of this first bump thing, this first hyphen. And then I go remove, right? From the front, let's zero things out here. Starting at, okay, so this is 8. Starting at 8. Remove count of 3, 2, 3. There, that's what I want. As far as the file name, oh, it's not going to work for those ones. I'll just have to manually do those ones. What you doing? Okay. It's good, we're done. Ready to go? Yes, okay. Go. Yes. Those I'll do manually. Oh, they didn't even have a hyphen. Okay. But they have a longer date code? What's going on with that? Did I lose? Ugh. Can I undo? Oh no. I lost part of the date code. It should have been at the end. Now I gotta go get the date code. Oh my god. Okay. So, no, get out of the way. This first one, fixing triggers, is 15. Isn't that part of the waves? That's part of the samplers devlog. So I'll do dupe check, and then I'll get that out of there. No controllers. That is 12. Why are they jumping down here? Is it upside down? Yeah, that's upside down. Okay. No, why are they... What? I can't believe I lost all those numbers. Thanks, renamer. And I gotta fix it. Okay, patching the preset browser is here for 13. Small error, big mistake. Retrieving out of bounds controls is here for 15. Triple nesting panels is again 15. Testing load times. I don't know where that is. I don't see it. Okay, so can I do a filter here? Let's do a filter for the condition of text contains synthetic labs. Synthetic lab? Alright. Okay, I need to activate it. Okay. Patching, testing load times is 2023 or 325. And then the filter calculations. Why do I have two? They're the same size? They are not. So I gotta figure out which one is which here. One says 2. Okay. This is the 17th. SV calculations. 2 is the 20th. And testing Butterworth shelf is the first. What? Why? Does it have a different date code? 2023-05. Testing Butterworth shelf. Oh, here. Part 1. 0531. 0531. And then Butterworth workaround is on 2, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 2, 6, 7, 8, 9. Testing Butterworth shelf part 2. Why is that there? What does that mean, part 2? Right here. A 1? Okay, and then finally, Butterworth 2 testing is 16. Alright. This is gonna take a lifetime. So I just came to confirm that, right? So I'm gonna get that filter off. Text contains, so there's no way to just turn it off. Okay, so back to the top here. It's upside down. Get rid of these. So I got date codes in here now. Everything, I hope everything, that's it, everything. I'm gonna wait till I get everything in place before actually adding the part bit to it. Just as long as I have this stuff, right? So this is all confirmed. So no controllers, basic. Why is triple nested panels down here? Oh, they're all the 15th, that's why. They're not all the 15th though. Okay, so no controllers here for the 12th. 13th is browser. And then next is triple nesting panels for the 15th. Oh, it is. They're all the 15th. Okay, so I think I have to, I know for sure that these are like part 1, 2, and 3. Part 1. And then I'll just copy this bit. Part 1. Patching the preset browser is the 13th. For part 2, I'm not sure what makes them. And if this specific order, they're all on the same day, right? What is their length here? I think the reason that they're in that order is because when they became highlights, they came out like that. Let's look. Let's go Hydrux, video producer. And of course, I'm going to wait for the pop-up. This wonderfully annoying pop-up to remind me. It's just been annoying me whilst I've been doing this backup. Oh, it doesn't happen? Not right now. Okay, so this is where they come from here. Nesting panels. Okay, so triple nesting panels apparently is first. Is it because of size? No, because it's bigger. Okay, so this is just the order that they came out of Twitch in. So triple nesting panels, where's my... here? Yeah, this is just the order they came out of Twitch in, so I'm going to honor that. Oh, I have it in thing, part 3. And then what? Triple nesting panels. Fixed missed triggers. Part 4. I put it after the hyphen, of course it did. 4. Where did the hyphen even come from? And then retrieving out of bounds controls. These aren't even really labs, they're more like tutorials. Okay. Right, so now they're all in order and they are checked off. Retrieving out of bounds controls. Stream test, basic synth. Where's that? Stream test. Okay, so stream test. Here it is. Grab that. It's part 6. And then I can grab the name from here, but I gotta wash it first. It's supposed to plop itself back up there, but because of the date code, I guess. It's like a year later almost. And I gotta call it. So that's, I'll get more time. I just want to make sure that I have enough time to do post. And yeah, and also the rerun is going to be kind of wonky as well. So drop this, close that, I'll close everything and be out here. Check out my website, JWPsite.com, for my social links, latest news and updates, and public offerings. If you'd like to help support what I do, check out my GoFundMe, JWP Fund, or my PayPal, jwpmas@gmail.com. Like, comment, subscribe, follow, whatever makes you click are appreciated. Thanks for watching. Until next time.